Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Haagen-Dazs non-dairy chocolate salted fudge. This was on sale, so yeah, it's like Christmas time and it's chocolate, and yeah, it was on sale. So 30 grams of sugar, there's tons of sugar in this, so just be aware of that. It is vegan though, and here are the ingredients. If you haven't read that, pause the video. Let's open it up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so here it is guys, and look at that. There's tons of chocolate chunks in there. It is sweeter than the other one I reviewed recently, the Nadamu. Nadamu is better, I find. It's less sweet, but this is pretty good if you like sweet and lots of chocolate. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, please go subscribe to the channel.